Welcome back to the Me Scripts. In today's video, I am going to show you a completely amazing web application. Yes, a completely AI based quiz web application. A student come here and upload their handwritten or any kind of notes, and the AI will analyze the images and extract the text from the notes, and later on that extracted text will be used to help the students to learn them. How it will be happen, I will show you the demo. Right now you can able to see here I have uploaded a notes, and my AI with the help of the Gemini is extracting the text from this particular document. And now you can able to see here the text is extracted successfully, and if I want to listen this particular text, I can simply listen them as well. And in future, if I want to check this particular text from my history, I can also do that. So let's take example. This is a text and I have created a notes, and that is my test 1 2 3, and click on this save and take quiz. Okay, so when I click on this save and take quiz, now you can able to see here your text is extracted. And after the extraction of the text from your notes, it will ask me what kind of post quiz you want. There are two types of quiz: post quiz or pre quiz. I will also explain why these two levels. So I want hard level, and click on this start quiz. So when I click on this start quiz, as of now you can able to see here it's reading my notes, identifying the key concept, and crafting 5 unique questions, and after all it finalizing the quiz for me for the hard level. So there are two type of quiz. One is post quiz. Once you uploaded your notes and extract the text and take the quiz, you will check your knowledge right now, how much you have knowledge right now to ability to solve the quiz. And you will check, for example, 5 question, you answer 1 question, it means your preparation is 20%. And later on you will give the pre-quiz, and that will be the 10 questions probably, and you will mark them the 7 questions, so you will automatically get you are the 60% better improvement while studying. So just simply select any of the answers here. I don't know what are the real answers, because these are the quiz purely created using the Google Gemini API, but based on the my notes what I have uploaded. I just simply click on this submit pre-quiz, and now you can able to see here that is my pre-quiz, what quiz I need to give it first after uploading the notes. Okay, so you can see this is a correct answer, and why this is a correct answer, they also give us the information. And you can see there is a 5 questions I have marked the 0, so there is no progress, I have 0 progress. And later on I just go back to my notes. Now you can able to see here this is the test 1 2 3 what I have saved now. And if I want to view, I can simply view them and I can listen them again. And after that I just simply go to my quiz section and click on this hard and click on this start quiz, so I can take the quiz again. Okay, so in this way this quiz application will work. And there's a lot of more features what we have added in this web application. I will also explain you. We have the quiz results, leaderboard, study planner, and etc everything. So I will explain you all the things step by step. Right now you can able to see it's finalizing the quiz right now here. So but I have abandoned the operation, but it will do not allow me to go to the dashboard until this quiz will be completed its generation. Okay, so let's me wait. Until that you can subscribe my channel. And now you can able to see here this is my dashboard. I have total 3 users because I can register the students as well. This is the admin login right now, by the way. And that is our notification center, where the admin can add the notification from the announcement section. The total notes available in our database is 51. The 51 quizzes is taken, the 66% is average score. And that is our my notes. And in the notes you can able to see the view. I already told you that is the folder. So you can assign a particular subject Basically, folder means the subject. Let's take example science, mathematics, and etc. For example, this is a science related. But there is a question, sir, how we can add more folders. Simply click on these folders and add it here, the demo folder here, and click on this add. So when you click on this add, now your folder is created. Now you just simply select it here, Ramesh, and now click on this move. So when you click on this move, that particular notes will be moved to the Ramesh folder. And same like that, you can select the tags difficult, easy, and exam preparation, and click on this save tags. Okay, so after that you can also apply the filter directly from here. So in this way you can create unlimited notes and save it and give them the folder and add the tags for them as well. Okay, understand, this is good. Now this is a study planner. What is this study planner? Let's take example, next week I have a examination, final exam. Now I have next week I have a exam. What date? The date is will be the 20. Any notes if you want to description add, you can simply add them. And what notes this exam will get? Let's take example, I will read the chapter 49, the chapter 46, and the chapter 43. That is the demo data, not the actual data. You will use your actual data here. So these four chapters, I have the exam on this particular date and I need to prepare them. I just simply click on this create plan, and now you can able to see here the plan is created. The plan is created out successfully. And when I click on this, now you can able to see here, it asks me that you need today learn this particular chapter, tomorrow you need to learn this, and then you need to learn this, and then you need to learn, and again on the 17th date you need to learn this. Let's take example, I have learned this and again learned this and again, and then again, and I can mark the progress update now. So we need to give the benefits to the students so they can easily manage them at everything. I just simply click on this complete and click on this yes complete. So now you can able to see here my exam is prepared out, completed successfully. So in the all you can able to see here math assessment is running, and the midterm biology exam is also running. So you can also able to see here, this is the thing, and that is our progress tracker. And you can easily able to see here where we can take the progress. And if we have given the quiz already, I just simply click on this review pre, because I have given the pre-quiz. So these are the questions asked for me by the AI, so I can later on I can check that and learn that as well. So it will help me in my take post quiz. So when I click on this take post quiz, it will give me to the post quiz section where I can select the difficulty level. And now in this time, the 10 questions, the final 10 questions will be appeared. Okay, we will see, we will show you in the end of the time, because we have a short time, so we need to cover different features as well. This is a leaderboard, and you can able to see here the average score. The number one user is this, and this is the second two, and this is the third number. And in the quizzes section, these are the 23, 43, and that is the streaks, and this month leaderboard, and the all-time leaderboard as well. That is the study groups. That is the main important thing in this system. Now you can able to see here, this is a join group feature. You need to enter your invite code. Let's take example, your student one is created a group and they want that you will join and share notes with each other. You can create a group. So you can see when I click on this, now in this system they have the three members, and shared notes, they have shared these three notes with each other and compare, so they will have the comparison as well. Okay, you understand them? Yes, you understand them. So how you can create a new group? I just simply click on this Ramesh and simply click on this create. Now this is the group code what I can easily send to my fellows. They can enter the group code and join to my group, and we can share the notes with each other, so we can prepare the examination preparation very effectively. Okay, so this is the thing, all the things you have seen using the artificial intelligence. So how you can set up the Gemini API key? So you just need to go to your system and then go to your site setting, and here you need to enter your Gemini API key. How you can get your Gemini API key? Go to your aistudio.google.com and then go to the get API key, create API key, and copy the API key and paste it here. And after that you need to click on this save. So this is the site branding. You can change change the site name, copyright text, and the language of the system as well in multiple languages. There are 97 languages. You can change your system completely. So this is our analytics, where we can check the all users analytics. If I want to check the user 1 or user 2 analytics, so you can see these are them. Okay, understand? That is our Google authentication. If you want that your student can easily be able to log in with Google or sign up with Google, you can enable this, or you can add your credentials here. How you can get the credentials? You can simply follow these instructions. If you don't want to follow these instructions, you can check out our description, the playlist of our PHP or MySQL web application. In this video, how to build a complete login and sign up system, I have explained the detailed how you can enable the Google login and the SMTP server configurations. You can check out this video. So these are related to this, because this is a these all the features we have added in our all the projects. So you can first watch this video to enable the Google login or Google sign up system, and how you can set up the SMTP server to enable the email notifications. You need to check out this video, and how you can install this particular quiz web application to your hostinger, to your cPanel. You need to watch this configuration video. And if you want to set up this on local system, on your local computer, you need to watch this video. Okay, so these are all the setup videos we have already created. You can simply watch them, and that is our backup, where you can create a backup and restore them and etc. That is our user sections, where you can create, edit, update, or delete user. Let's take example. This is a user. I just copy this here, user 1 2 3 4 5 6, and click on this save. So when I click on this save, now my user is created, and that is our announcement sections. What is our announcement? You can see this is our notification panel, and this is a new announcement, and that is the platform v 2.0. This is the thing. I may simply turn this off, and now you can able to see here that will be gone from here. And that is my account. In the my account, you can simply check them, the username, password, etc. Everything I have explained in this video. You can simply watch them, and in this way you can also change the color scheme of your particular web application. Okay, you understand them. Now this is the quiz results, last one, where you can check the quiz results of each student, the student 1 attempt, the pre-quiz 5 out of 0 marks, and etc. Okay, in the my notes section, when you go to the quiz section, now it will also give you the pre-quiz. But when you go to your study tools and in your study planner, now you can able to see here, this is your study planner and etc. Everything you can do it from here. Hope you understand this video, and this is very useful tool if you use it in positive way for preparing your exam preparations. Okay, understand them? Yes, you understand them. Okay, so now we will just log out from this system, and you can easily able to see here, this is our login system, and there is also a dark or light mode feature and forget password sign up feature. If someone want to sign up, they can easily sign up them. And I will going to log in as a user, so I just simply enter my username and password here and click on this login. So this is my user dashboard, and now you can able to see here, I have the total 17 notes, 17 quiz I have dated. If I want to scan notes and add it to my notes history, I can simply scan them, and that is my quiz results. Okay, a user can only able to see their own data, and that is my study tools, that is my study planner, progress tracker. And if I want to take a quiz, when I click on this and click on this heart and click on this take quiz, again it will created the quiz from this particular notes what I have scanned. So this is a web application. Hope you completely like this video, you like this quiz web application, and that is very trendy web application. And please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share it with your student fellows, so they can learn something from it, from their coding. So they can view this project as a final year in their university or in their institution. So we thank you very much. Take care. We will meet you in our next video. And if you are a university student and you need to final year projects for your you can say your final year project, you can simply go to our playlist, and that is our PHP MySQL projects for final year students. We will create a complete projects what you can show in your university as a final year project. So we thank you very much. Take care. We will meet you in our next video. Until that, Allah Hafiz, and please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. So we will grow our community together and make our channel world best channel. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. We will meet you in our next video. Take